You know, the little 13-year-old girl, him. Never stop, man. Little 13.
Just walk on my yard and give me some breeze. Walk and give me some breeze now.
Left on the time, man.
Look here.
And a free country. And a free country.
Yeah, but in my space, I can't push out now and see that. You're there in my space.
See, Alpha me do that too. Yeah. Phone everybody live up and out there. Stop the little 13-year-old kid there.
What's up, people? You don't know. Hey, boy. Manii White. I don't know if you know me, but on my YouTube channel is it. And Pong. Kind of female, but not really. Sorry, guys. I dropped the mic. Sorry. Hey, guys. You don't know. iHeart Manii show. We're currently at UTech and we did a prank.
Alright, so basically what we do, we go around to people, but we kind of trick them as it. So we have some earpods, I don't know what them call that, because them they look like some bugs. Is it? I don't know what that actually. So you know those things were in our ears and we just go up to people and we tell them say yo.
We're pretending that we're talking to them.
But actually we're on a call. They get me I say.
Somebody, yo, go Akito. We're Akito. Ready? We're Akito.
Yeah.
Yo, me say wash girl panty and them something there. Me say wash girl panty.
Me attack.
That's watch now. That's EMS now. Me say wash girl panty.
And me attack.
And
I never wash girl panty.
first of all, them think they're wrong and
I
people
never wash
other.
girl panty in my life.
Yo, General.
What?
Left on the phone.
Oh, sorry, my General. Sorry, but you can't do them thing there because you look for me and attack. Is it?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, no, you're the
Left on the car.
next
Alright.
Yeah, go on now. No, you're the next.
But anyways, you're enough for wash girl panty. And you're enough.
Boss man, you're a pint for me and you say
Yo,
you're on the call in the boss
no, I'm
man.
on the call, bro.
Boss man, hear me say the boss man. Get out of my face, boss man, because you insult me. You're on call or not, boss man. Who you attack on the phone? Boss man.
So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe because we're currently in a very bad situation where the landlord are come for, you see me?
Tell them say we don't have food that we have. We don't have food.
Them can't hear still.
No,
and you just come, you may say, we want money for pay rent. You get me I say landlord knock on the door, them, you see it? Yeah. So watch 3 ads, you see it? You don't know the shifts. I'm always back up. Are you?
Me?
Yeah, right, yeah. I say, I see you on a video.
Yeah.
See you on a video like you lick out body and them thing there.
What?
You see it?
Me?
Where say, I you?
Where say?
Like, lick out body and them thing.
What is going on here?
And I say, yo, you have to ask for you, you see it? Where say, I you?
Lick up batty.
Lick out body and them something. Then I say, I you? I think of you. I you?
You know, I did the pan TV, but
You did the pan TV, I lick out body and them thing there?
Me talk about the bush then.
Bush? Body bush and them something there?
Push them here.
Like, well, I try to see upon TV like I go somebody bottom, I say, Jano, is it? But we say, I you, I feel like. Yeah, wait, hold on. Yeah, where I say, man?
I push myself.
Oh, Bush say, oh no, I'm up on the phone and talk to somebody. Is it? Oh, yeah. But wait, say, I sell Bush?
I push myself.
Oh, Bush sell. Yeah, my dog, you have to change up your act, because them things that we have on TV, no right? Sorry about that, man. Sorry about that. Yeah. Are you like, you look, me I say, yo, like, me that ask for you. You see it? Because I see already. You see, like, I see upon one video like you lick out a girl body or something. Yeah.
Well, I'm out, man.
Wait, Anna you? Man say, yo, Jano, me that fear ask, you see it? Anna you? Bomba, you read? That Jano star. Bomba, Jano. Yes, Anna, wait, where I say? Oh no, I never you me I talk to General, but he up on the phone, you see. Me see. Where I say, I sell glue and them thing there. Oh. No man, me up on the phone, you see. Alright, back your face. How you say now? Cause me have to ask you, them thing they not right in the Georgie. Yo bro, God, are you me see on the video? You must see on the video, like, yeah, lick up batty and them thing there.
What?
I know you, bro, guys. I know you, bro. Are you sure about that? Yo. Where I say? I pour me up in a charge. That man got him up on the phone. Are you Mr. on the video? Me know you just come and ask if I you, cause you look, me I say yo, I see one video with one girl with one man batty, you see it and it.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Favor you see my general, so me I say, what Anna you? Eh? Anna you? What they said? No, me ask if I you. Hold on. Excuse me. Sir, I wasn't talking, I was on the phone, sir. Yeah. Ah, shit face, so yeah, say. No, it's a man, him feel like me I talk to him, you see it.
Are you missing on the video? Are you missing on the video?
I do.
Eh? I look up batty and all them something there.
No, man, I look at unless I hear batty, I look
up. No, God! What kind of queer thing that, brother? I look up batty and them something there, brother. What kind of man you say, be?
Yeah, man, batty the lick out, man. So, man,
No, God, please, no! No! No!
Yeah, batty.
Yo, General. Yo, it's a phone call, I'm there, you know. Phone call. Yo, give me a second. Yeah. You know for wear people underpants and them thing there.
You do what?
You know for wear man
No,
underpants and what kind of style that, brother?
How that? You don't run them with this.
Me I hear say you do them something there. Me I hear say you do them something there, brother. And me no know what kind of thing that you dey on. You see it?
This is not okay. This
Yeah,
needs
go
to
lick up.
stop now. This is cancer.
Hey, we live.
Yeah, people, make sure to subscribe to iHeart, Manii. You know what video? Wow. And
Take it away. Up top.
What the fuck? What the fuck was that?
Yo, you know what I'm saying? You have to stop have sex with the little pitney, you know. You have to stop to them something there.
Who you talk like that?
I don't know what kind of style and them something there.
Who you talk to? The man up on the phone you talk?
Eh?
The man there you talk?
Yeah, I'm on the phone.
They can't talk like I'm gonna look for me like I'm here for Pitney.
Eh? Oh, sorry about that. Where on the phone, man? Oh. Yeah, as me I say. You have to stop to them something to lick a pitney. Lick a 13-year-old girl them. You have to stop, man. Lick a 13.
Just walk on my yard and give me some breeze. Walk and give me some breeze now. They look here.
And a free country.
Yeah, but you know my space, I can't push out now and see that. You're there in my space.
See, Alpha me do that too. You have phone, everybody live for front.
Everybody, eh?
That point for the man out there, stop the little 13-year-old kid there.
And blood clot.
And I man there.
Is there some breeze? Bumbo clot.
So where you get to ask that,
Come want some ear from you.
You want some ear from me?
Yeah, give me some breeze.
You do them something, you come on, big man, you see me be a big man, you say you come on.
Yeah, but I'm on a call. I'm still on a call, you know.
Yo, stop the them thing there. You know, go over there, say the 13-year-old.
Hold on.
I'm on a call, man.
I'm on a call, man.
So you know, go over there, so you can react to the man.
No, but you are free.
I'm free.
Big up yourself, G. Eh? Rest of them are dead.
If I'm in a ramp with so if you're a police soldier, you're lick me lick your
Yo, are you me see pan the video? Me see one girl, are you like him and name out a girl? And I say, if are you, and are you? Wait, I'm not here, what you say? Wait, what? I feel like you, cause I say me see and me just know, that's why I have to say, if are you. You sure and you, bro? Like, I say, Jano, bro, God, me see you, me see you, that's why I have to say, are you see it? Hold on. What you say? Oh, no. I'm on the phone, is it? Oh. Yeah, I'm on the phone, man. Yeah, shit face. Them things they can't do. Is it? Is that you? In feel me, I talk to him. Yeah, bro, God, don't do them things there again. Yeah, I want to ask you a question. Like, is you somebody say like is a lady thief my book, like my physics book. So I was wondering if it's you thief it. I was wondering if it. No, I talking to you.
Me you talking?
Yeah.
What you say when I go?
Like I have a physics book, right, and I left it in my class, and them says is like a lady thief it. That's why I say, you know, and the description is you, so I say.
Fit me?
Yeah, so I say who thief the book, you get me? I say John won't start the book thief, I can't pass. You see it, so.
I guess I have a twin out there. No, which class that I'm with?
I the physics. Wait, hold on. What you say? No, sorry, I wasn't talking. I'm sorry. I was on the phone. I'm sorry. Yeah. Yeah, this. Yeah. Yo, bro, God, you know, say you need to buy my sister the morning after pill because you breed her and thing. You know that, bro, God?
Huh?
You know, say you have to go buy my sister the morning after pill because you breed her and thing. She never want to come to you and talk to you. So me have to come talk to you, see? You know, Alicia. Bro, God, I lie to my mom. She tell me one thing, you know, that's why I'm there saying.
What mean you?
Wait, hold on. Listen.
What mean you?
No, sorry, I'm on the phone, charging.
YouTube, dog.
Is it? Oh, is it? Yeah, man.
Yo, like, you have sex with my girl, dog, and them things there.
Like, no, every week they got the blue over here.
I don't know if you know me, but I mean your Manii, is it? I have sex with my girl.
Where go?
And kind of hurt my feelings, is it? And if you know me, but I kind of come to you as a man and I tell you, say, yo, dog, I have sex with my girl, dog, and a long time without, is it?
Where go?
Eh?
Where go? Am I talk?
No, bro, I'm on the call.
Oh, I'm see that me talk call.
Yeah, dog, you have sex with my girl, brother, and them thing there. So, I have to go beat you up. I have to go beat you up. Is it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, what's your name, Chargy?
You think I'm here talking?
Eh?
What you say?
What you say? Is it Tori having earphone, dog?
Eh?
Tori having earphone, dog. Everything good still? Everybody laugh about it. Yo, I just want you to know say I come here as a man and you know say I have sex with my girl, dog, is it? And I come here as a man. I must see you me and talk better like what? Man. You may say. I come here as a man and I tell you say I forgive you for having sex with her, is it? Even though they're long. I'm forgive you, brother.
That's she.
Eh?
That's she.
No, I'm on the call.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyways, as me I say, you have sex with my girl. I joke. I feel my YouTube video, dog. Oh God.
Bye, have a great time.